Welcome back, friends. This is Amit, and I'm from Feesclub Academy. I welcome you on this next section, in the new section. And in this section, we are going to this section will be going to be very exciting. Why exciting? Because this in this section we are now going to get into coding. So before we go and we get some coding out there, first of all, we need to set up the environment. So the very first thing that we need to start coding is a code editor. And it's code editor is kind of a program that helps you to write codes properly, to structure your code, and a program that will help you to write some basic formats or syntaxes of the codes. I can't say this is the best, but this is what I liked most. And this text editor I'm also going to recommend you guys as well to use this. It's called Sublime Text, and you can go to the sublimetext.com website and you can find the download link of Sublime Text. So let me just open it. Once you open the Sublime Text, you will see something like this. Okay, and at the very bottom right hand side, you can see there it's written plain text. Means whatever you're typing over here, it's just like a plain text, and it's nothing fancy here, because you can also do this other text editor as well. But once we click on this plain text, now you will see there's loads of options. These are nothing but the various programming languages, and whatever programming language you will choose here, after that your code will have your code editor, means Sublime Text, will start giving you some kind of suggestions or some sort of color annotations, so that you could be able to write the codes easily. So here, first of all, as we are going to start the HTML, so we'll choose HTML here. Once we write any HTML code, suppose if we write this, you can see the color changes, and it's giving you a nice color combination and annotations, so that you could be able to differentiate and type the code easily. So in HTML, as we told you, that HTML is actually a language which is used to display some texts or images or media files on the browser. So there are some basic structure that we need to follow, and if you are using Sublime Text, the Sublime Text will give you a shortcut to get that basic structure of the HTML5. So what you need to do is simply you need to type HTML in short, and sorry, not HTML, you should start from this angular brackets, and you need to type HTML. Now once you see this, you need to just simply press the tab button, and you will see the structure will be up there. But we are not going to do this way. First of all, we'll be giving the basic idea what exactly the codes are and what is the meaning of these things. So the very first line, what you need to type is you need to type open the angular bracket, you need to type exclamation mark, and then you need to type doc type. Don't worry, I'll give you the explanation on this. And you need to type the HTML in small letters. Well, it's not necessary to write small letters, but it's just a convention. So by using that convention, we just use the doc type in the capital letters and the HTML in small letters, and you need to close the angular brackets, and that's done, the first line. And the second line of code, we will open up the HTML tag. Right. So in this HTML language, what we need to do is we need to simply open tags by using this angular brackets, and if we want to close it, we simply say this, the same thing, but with this little forward slash. Alright, so this is how we close a tag, and this is how we open a tag. And there are other types of tag as well in HTML, that is called non-closing tags, or the tags which we never close, or yeah, we never close those tags. They just open once and that's it. Alright, so we'll see that non-closing tags in next section, but in this section we will see these tags. And in the HTML tag, whatever we will write inside the HTML tag. Okay, so first of all we take the head tag. Okay, and you know, the Sublime Text, or once you just press this forward slash, it automatically, you know, types the tag that is being last opened. So the head tag was last opened by me, so that's why it just automatically types it closes the head tag. I hope you got my point. Okay, now inside the head tag we write the title, and suppose we are writing my first website. Okay, and after the head tag we need to start a body tag, and in the body tag, whatever our website content is, we need to mention this here. So suppose I want to say hello world. Oops. Okay, now here comes the next thing. We need to simply save this file, and to save this file we just need to go file and save. And as you can see that there's a shortcut of saving the file, the Control S. So from now on I'll be pressing the Control S, the shortcut on the keyboard. Now you can see that, you know, it's asking me to save the file. I'll choose the desktop. So let me create a new folder over here, FC Academy, that's Feesclub Academy, and inside that folder I'm going to save my file, and I'll name this file as index.html. Now behind naming this index.html there is one thing that we will discuss in later sections, so don't worry. So you can give it any name, whatever you want. I'm giving it the index.html. Okay, so my file has been saved. Now if you want to run if you want to see the file, let me go to the desktop and let me see this is the FC Academy and this is my file. Now if I want to open this file, I can simply drag this file and drop into my browser. Okay, so if I just dropped into my browser, you can see the path over here, FC Academy, that's my folder, and index.html is my file name, and this is the text that I was intended to print, right? So before I would expand it on all these things, first of all let me just tell you that what we have done right now. We have just created a server. I know that sounds strange, but let me tell you, this particular desktop or this laptop, your computer, is kind of a server, and this is your file. These are your files, and we will also create CSS and HTML, the JavaScript files, and we'll also host those files over here as well, or over here only. So what I have done, I have just drag these files into the browser, and this is what servers do. If you request a file, suppose you are requesting google.com, your browser is asking Google servers that what is this, send me those files. So Google server sends these files, right? So this is what we have done. We have just mimicked this whole process of sending files from server to the browser and requesting files from browser to the server. Alright, so I hope this makes sense. Alright, so this was all about this video, and I would like you to practice this code. And once again I would like to tell you that suppose if you don't want to remember or by heart this, you can simply say HTML and you can put the tab button. You can see this structure over here, but I would really recommend you to really know what's going on behind the scenes. That's why I would recommend you to first practice it by typing it of your own, and afterwards, once you get used to of the structure, then you can use the shortcut that I just told you to put that structure directly automatically on your Sublime Text. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like it. If you like the video, do press the like button and share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
That was all about this video. Please like and share this video and subscribe to Feesclub Academy. See you in the next video.